How to see how many envelopes you have left in Docusign by checking your envelope details. If you send documents regularly, keeping track of your usage is important so you can avoid interruptions and manage your plan effectively. This guide will show you exactly where to find that information inside your account. To begin, head over to the Docusign website. Make sure you're visiting the official Docusign homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner and click the login button. Go ahead and enter your username and password to sign in. If you're using a shared computer, remember to log out when you're finished to keep your account secure. After logging in, you'll land on your Docusign home dashboard. This page shows your recent activity, documents that need attention, and shortcuts to important tools. Think of it as your main control center for everything related to your Docusign account. Next, you'll want to move into the admin section. Look for the admin tab and click on it. This will take you to the administrative side of your account where you can manage settings, users, and other advanced options. Even if you don't use the admin panel often, it's helpful to know where everything is located, especially when you're tracking usage or plan limits. Once you're inside the admin panel, find and select Plan and Billing. This section gives you a clear overview of the plan you're currently on, your billing cycle, and the main features. Included, it's a helpful place to review what your subscription offers and make sure it fits your needs. To see how many envelopes you have left, look for the option called View Usage Details. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find a detailed breakdown showing how many envelopes you've already used and how many remain within your monthly or annual allowance. This section updates automatically, so you always have an accurate picture of your usage. Understanding this information helps you plan ahead, especially if you're approaching your limit. If you notice you're running low, you can decide whether it's time to upgrade your plan or purchase additional envelopes. Staying aware of your usage also helps prevent delays when sending important documents that require signatures. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to view your remaining envelopes in Docusign using the envelope details page. Keeping an eye on your usage makes managing your account smoother and ensures you never run into unexpected limits. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this guide or want more step-by-step tutorials like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.